And our top story tonight at 6, the Lexington Fayette County Health Department has declared an outbreak of pertussis, also known as whooping cough. This comes after 9 total cases have been confirmed since late April. That includes 3 cases from Lafayette High School, St. Peter and Paul Catholic School, and the community of Lexington today. The health department is asking all Central Kentucky caregivers to be on the lookout for signs and symptoms of whooping cough and making sure you and your family are up to date on your vaccines. Pertussis is highly contagious and can be spread through coughing or sneezing.